students, welcome to class. A premiere is about to go up in 15 minutes, and I am here behind the scenes trying desperately to answer everybody's questions and to respond to them. So what I've decided to do is I'm just going to move this over here, and I'm going to try to do this live. Now bear with me. As you know, my skills here are not that great when it comes to computers and how to do all this. I'm going to try to get the comments up here so you guys can see them. Or way down here. Oh no, I'm already stuck. I don't know how to do this. Okay, wait, how did my husband tell me to do this? Okay, I'll go back, start over. So video details. Okay, there I am. And, okay, no, I know, I think I made it too big. Wait, let me go over here. I have to go like this. Okay, now the comments are on the side. Now what I have to do is I have to try to shrink it from the side, I think. Oh God, no, that didn't work. Wait, okay, hold on. I'm gonna make it bigger. Wait, how do I get this? Oh, there. Okay, we're getting back. We're getting close. All right, so the comments are going by here. Can you guys read that? I'm gonna make it a bit bigger. So Command plus. Okay, getting there. Oh no. Okay, there. All right. Okay, so you can see that people are commenting. I mean, of course, there's always the usual rude comments and things like that, but maybe I can just address some of you guys live here rather than just typing. I thought, you know, I'm here anyway, just turn the light on and sit here on my stool and see what I can come up with. Okay, all right, we're almost there. You guys are so patient. I know half of you already left, but anyway. Okay, so what do we have here? Well, somebody writes, we should all be vegan. Great. I totally approve of that. We should definitely all be vegan. Hey, there's my little sign up there. All right. Okay. So what else? Go vegan for yourself alone. Absolutely not. Being vegan has nothing to do with you. It has nothing to do with you at all. It is about the animals. It is about protecting them. Veganism is a moral baseline. That's what it is. It is about knowing that we shouldn't be hurting these animals. They've done nothing wrong to us, and we can totally eat other things. So that's what that's about. Be vegan for the animals. It just happens to be a bonus that it's good for the earth, for the planet, to reduce our eco footprint, and it's also great for your health. But we do it for the animals. Somebody says, we deserve to eat what we want. No, you don't. You don't deserve that at all. What makes you think that? What you deserve is to have exactly what you need, and the basics that you need are some food and some shelter. That's what you deserve. But you don't deserve the right to hurt others who've never done a single thing wrong to you. Doesn't that make sense to you? If aliens came to this planet and said, we deserve to eat what we want, and they wanted to eat you, would you be like, oh, okay. Yeah, that's true. I did say that. So here you go. Take my body. Just eat me. No, you would be saying to the aliens, excuse me, can you just go over there and just get the tofu and the lentils and the beans? How about I make you some vegan pizza and some vegan lasagna? That's what you would be saying. So you already know that. All right, hold on. I just realized something. I pressed this button here, and that pushes everything in a pause. So now let's just see. Okay, swear to God, I just put in time out because my thoughts, I'm offended. Okay, so some people here in blue are putting people in timeout if they are saying things that are rude or cruel. So this is a vegan classroom. So what we're supposed to do is just talk about vegan things. Okay, what did this person write? Xander, I really wanted to become vegan, but unfortunately I can't since I'm still living with my parents and I don't have money to buy vegan things and I cannot choose what to eat. What should I do? I'm only 17. Okay, Xander, you can totally be vegan because being vegan means about doing your best. If you're doing your best under the roof of your parents, that's all you can do. Now you're 17 years old, so it's not like you're 13. You're practically an adult, and you don't actually need a lot of money to be vegan. Look, your parents already probably have all the basics in the house anyway. Do you guys have chickpeas? Lentils? Do you have tofu? I'm sure your mom buys fruits and vegetables, or your dad. You probably have rice, pasta. You can absolutely make all kinds of different things with that. You have to buy just a bunch of spices. Do you buy curry and cumin? Do you have turmeric? Do you have basil, oregano, onions, garlic powder? You can just Google healthy vegan foods and you can start to become the cook for your family. I know it seems daunting, doesn't it? But you know what? You're 17. Like I said, you're not 13. You can say to your mom and dad, look, I don't want to hurt these animals anymore. I would like to help to do the cooking. Let's Google some vegan recipes together, mom and dad. And if your parents are half decent, they'll say, okay, let's try that. And if they're not, you can still take the lead and say, mom and dad, today I'm cooking. and then you make a big meal. It's really not that hard. Look, you know, I'm going to get into it in another video, but honestly, I cook so simply. Just get a frying pan, throw a bunch of onions in there, throw a bunch of celery, saute that in water, just dump whatever vegetables you want. There's also meat, fake meats that look like ground beef. I don't really use that stuff very often, but just put a bunch of lentils in there, a bunch of chickpeas, a whole huge amount of spinach, all kinds of spices, mix it all up, put some tomatoes in there, maybe some corn, and it's just so easy. One pot, super easy. All right, let's look at what else we have here. Okay, I by accident pressed that button again to stop. And sorry. Okay, what have we got? All right, so this is showing a bunch of stuff, so I'm going to show that because it's about being vegan. That's really sweet. And what is the person writing here? Mike is saying, factory farming is significantly responsible for deforestation, greenhouse gas emissions, pollutions, and water shortage. Yes, absolutely. Thank you for saying that. So Imogen is talking about, so I guess somebody said something about abortion. Now, we're not going to get into this on this channel, Imogen. Your job is to talk about the animals. Okay, your personal opinion about abortion is not needed here, whether you're pro-abortion or against it. We are talking about the animals here. So I would prefer that you don't engage in conversations with people about that. Miss Katie is here to help us protect the animals and the animals, so appreciate that. Thank you, this vegan girl. I am here for that reason, and I do appreciate that you notice that. Darth Tater is showing a bunch of vegan foods. That's it. Eat a wide variety. Have 30 different vegan foods every day. Just put them all in your shopping cart. Peace begins on your plate. So open up your heart. It's so easy. 30 a day doesn't mean 30 different meals, guys. Somebody once said, well, she wants us to eat 30 meals a day. No, I don't. I mean, even a spice counts as one food, right? Look, this morning I had a huge bowl of oatmeal. In my oatmeal, I had some oats, obviously. Then I had some walnuts. I had some chia seeds, some flax seeds. I had some blueberries. I had some cinnamon. I had some banana mashed up. I also put some dates in there to mash that all up. I mean, I had like at least 10 ingredients, some soy milk, just in my breakfast alone. Have a wide variety. Put all kinds of different seeds, like sunflower seeds or pumpkin seeds. All right? Josh, you my friend now. Okay, I don't know what that means. This comment won't be in her video, but I have a question. Do you eat fries? Yes, I eat fries, and yes, you will be in my video. I do eat fries because fries are vegan. Now, I don't eat them very often because they have a lot of fat in them, right? Fat and salt, that's not good for us. But yeah, I'll eat fries once in a while. Why not? Thank you for saying you are the only one here who has Brian's. Okay, don't know what you're talking about. Abortion is common around the world. We're not talking about abortion, guys. Please leave if you're going to be rude, says Imogen. Yes, that's good. Thank you. Yeah, we're not. I don't know how you guys all got on the subject of abortion there when I wasn't here, but just let's stay away from that. No, nobody, I don't want to be vegan. Okay. What's this? I know. Forcing people to vegan is rude. Nobody's forcing you to be vegan. You are literally coming to this channel voluntarily. We are not forcing you. I'm not at your house holding you down with a block of tofu and shoving it into your mouth, okay? I'm not doing that. If I could, if it was legal, I'd probably do it because it is absolutely wrong to hurt animals. You know it too. You seem to think it's okay to grab an animal by the neck and slit their throat or pay somebody to do it. I think that if we have the right as a society to do that to the animals, we should equally have a right to grab someone by the throat and pull the knife away from them and say, here, eat this instead. Now, obviously, I'm joking. I'm not going to shove food down someone's mouth because, they could choke on it. But you understand my point. We live in a fucked up, backwards society. Animals are not here to be used by us, and we shouldn't be using them to eat them, wear them, or use them at all. And damn, I keep pushing this button so you guys can't see what's going on. Okay, they're deleting messages left and right. Somebody writes at the top here. The moderators are deleting messages, as I said, if you are being rude and talking about how you like to hurt animals. Don't do that. Somebody's asking why, what is this now? Is the vegan teacher here? Yeah, I'm here, but I'm not typing right now, guys, because I'm talking and making another video. But yes, I'm here. Okay, why would I sexually steal urine from a cow? What? It's not about taking the urine from a cow. It is about drinking the milk from a cow that belongs to her baby. Don't do that. Don't steal anything from animals. Imogen is saying, is anyone else excited for Christmas? I guess Imogen is getting a little bit bored of being a moderator here. But Imogen, we're not talking about Christmas. If you're here as a teaching assistant, we're talking about veganism. Now, you could say, is anyone excited for a vegan Christmas? That would be a comment you can make. Or is anybody excited to have tofurkey for Christmas? That would be okay. But Christmas in general, Imogen, we're not going to be talking about that, okay? But humans don't have moral agency. Oh, why do you say that? You don't think that humans have a choice whether they're going to eat tofu, whether they're going to pay someone to murder an animal? Really? Okay, well, I don't agree with you. I think we do have a choice. In the grocery store, you can reach for the soy milk or you can reach for the cow's milk. Why would you reach for the cow's milk? Why not choose compassion over killing? Choose soy milk, choose oat milk, choose macadamia milk, hemp milk, rice milk. There's so many different kinds of milk to choose from. Don't choose violence or cruelty. All right, what else have we cared? Fruits and vegetables forever. Yes. Eat fruits and vegetables. Yeah, yes. Livestock and their byproducts are accountable for 51% of all greenhouse gas emissions worldwide. Well, you know, this statistic changes depending on who you ask, but the point of the matter is that we know that it increases your eco footprint. That's absolutely true. And it is best for the animals to not kill them. It is best for our own health because we don't have a high cholesterol, don't have a lot of fat in our bodies when we're eating healthy. Now, of course, there are some vegans who are unhealthy because they just eat chips all day and drink Coke and eat Oreo cookies. So don't do that. Eat healthy foods. Treat your body well. Love yourself as if you were the little girl or the little boy that you used to be, and you would give them what? Healthy food, right? Not a bunch of junk. So you are still growing as a human. You might not be growing tall, but you're growing. Your brain is growing all the time. You're learning new things. So take care of yourself. All right. I want to answer your question, but I can't as I can't speak for them all. Don't know what you're talking about there. They don't want you to brutally embarrass yourself. I'm not sure what that means. Somebody here is saying even vegetables and fruit doesn't have a system like a human and animals. They are still sad because they got torn apart. No, fruits and vegetables don't feel pain. Plants don't feel pain, they don't have a brain, they don't have a nervous system, so it's okay to bite into them. You have a heart, you know where to start. Sing this song and be vegan from now on. Yeah. Plants don't have a brain, they don't have a nervous system, and you know this because when firefighters run into a burning building, they do not run in there to save the vegetables. They're not in there trying to whip open the fridge and grab all the celery and the garlic and the pickles. They're not doing that. They are running in there to save the animals and the grandparents and the aunts and the uncles and everybody who is human and the animals. So I'm just being ridiculous. You know that. You're just trying to wiggle out of being vegan. And don't wiggle out of being vegan. Be kind to the animals. Who is this vegan girl? I don't know. Are you saying this during Omicron virus? Don't know what you're talking about. Why can't we all have our choice to eat what we want? Because they're victims. If I choose I want to eat you, are you going to be like, okay? No, you won't. You already know the answer to what you're saying here. It's crazy. The future isn't vegan. Yes, it is. To survive as a species, to survive on this planet, to protect the planet and the animals in the animals on the land, in forests and the oceans and the tropical rainforest, we need to start going towards a vegan world. Remember that being vegan is not about you. It is about saving the animals and protecting their planet and living in harmony together, doing the least harm. Can you do the least harm? Yeah. Just do the least harm. That's it. It's so easy to be vegan. Just don't buy leather things. Buy something else if you're going to buy some shoes. If you're going to buy a coat, don't buy anything that has feathers in it and fur trim or any kind of fur coat. Just do your best. Buy cotton. This is cotton. This is secondhand. It's not made out of silk. This I also got at the secondhand store. It's made out of cotton and polyester. And this hat, I think it's polyester. It's just don't buy any wool. Don't buy any fur. It's so easy to be vegan. There isn't proof that the future is vegan. It has to be. We have to go forward as a compassionate world, and that is the only choice that we have, to be as vegan as possible. Vegan tables, vegetables, don't know what you mean. Let's, for fun, there's a deleted message. Let's see what Imogen deleted here. Let's look, okay? So she deleted this. Hurting living things is wrong. Hurting living things is wrong. Vegetables are living things. Oh, okay, that's why. So vegetables don't feel pain, you silly goose. Hey, I hope that's not speciesist for me to say that. You silly humans, what I mean. Because geese aren't silly. They just sometimes do funny movements, but that's okay. I'm allergic to plants. I doubt it. I doubt you're allergic to all plants. You're allergic to blueberries, that's a plant. Allergic to blueberries, apples, bananas. You're allergic to kiwi, and you're allergic to potatoes, broccoli, carrots, tomatoes. You're allergic to all of these things. I doubt it. People have protein deficiency. Nope, they really don't. You know, I worked as a nurse for 25 years, and I never once came across anyone who had a protein deficiency, ever. Vegans get plenty of protein if you just eat healthy veggies, fruits, nuts, and seeds every day. Have a variety of foods. Make sure that you eat things like bread with peanut butter on it, or you can have a different kind of butter on there. Have some tofu, have some healthy greens, have a big smoothie. Put it full of different things. You know, you can put spinach in smoothie and you don't even taste it. You know, like I said, you can make an amazing meal in just one pan full of different beans and lentils and chickpeas. I mean, it's just ridiculous. Look, I've been vegan for five and a half years now, and I don't have a protein deficiency, and I just eat normal stuff. Just have a fridge full of healthy food. Oh, now you can see that the video is about to start. The countdown is going on over here. So I want to thank everybody for being here. Hold on. I don't know if that's going to help. Yes, but there we go. So today, like I said, I want to thank you all for being here. I'm going to just mute the sound here too, just to make sure. Okay, so thank you all for being here. Really do appreciate it. If you haven't yet subscribed, go to the subscribe button below. If you want to watch this video, which is about no animals being left behind and about saving the dogs from China that are being eaten there and helping as they get shipped out and to adopt them and so on. Go and watch that other video. But in the meantime, subscribe, press the notification bell, help me get the animals out of hell, and coming up on screen are going to be a bunch of other videos. Be curious, look around That Vegan Teacher's site and support me in the comments. Tell me why you're vegan. Tell me about your vegan journey. Like, what stage are you at? Did you cut out meat yet? Are you cutting out all the dairy products first? You know, the goal is to get there as quickly as possible, not take forever. Once you know that hurting animals is wrong, you just stop. Just stop, right? Just like when you know racism is wrong, you don't just like cut down on racism. You like eliminate it forever. You know that homophobia is wrong. Don't just gradually decrease being homophobic. Just stop being homophobic. Stop being a speciesist. Stop being a carnist. Stop being mean to animals. Be nice to animals. Thanks so much for being here. I will see you guys all in the next video. Bye for now.